Hello everyone, this is Dr. E and I have two things to discuss today. One, the last lecture week, and two, your extra credit points that you could earn this week. And first, the hypothesis testing for mean is what you're going to be working on this week, and I hope that by now you have decided on what type of or what topic to work on for our final project, and you have the entire week next week to work on that. And at the same time, our last required mandatory meeting is going to be next week as well. And if you want to be exempted to our mandatory meeting, answer and complete our feedback form this week. So the course evaluation is up, so complete it and show an evidence that you have taken it. I don't need to see your feedback, but I would love to see the evidence that you have completed it by taking a screenshot that you have taken it. And at the same time, your screenshot that you will be sending to me via email in our messenger or an email in our regular email is an additional 3-point credit on your existing quiz. So let's say on one of your quizzes, you only got 15 out of 21. So I'll add 3 points to your existing quiz. And with that, it will go up by 5, 10, 15%, depending on the score that you got for that particular quiz. And I will choose the one that you scored the lowest to add that extra 3-point credit for your Math 203 quiz. So that's what you're going to be working on this week. Complete the feedback form. Would love to hear from you. Hopefully, all of you will be able to get that extra credit points and that exemption for our mandatory meeting. And also, start working on your final project because our semester is almost over. Not quite, but almost. This is Dr. E, and see you again next time. Bye!